Here we are live. So this is the 25-ton curb adapter. So that'll be getting installed on top of our existing curb. So we're almost here. We got Jimmy doing the installation. Hold steady, we're getting the installation on.
Okay.
Here's a company we always work with. They're definitely the best in the business. Goes our guys. Unit over there. It's ready off the roof. The guy's getting the installation on. Brendan, help him out. The other roll of insulation right there. Keep it steady like Freddy. Portable fixes. HVACPA.com. Getting her done. Done right the first time. Brandon, get him ready. Get the installation for him. Alright guys, stay tuned after the installation is complete.